everybody. Welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Major hype arrested. The US-based comedian is currently locked up in the US state of Georgia, facing serious charges of simple battery and felony of making terroristic threats and acts. According to reports, the authorities at the Cobb County Sheriff's Office adult detention facilities, Major hype, whose real name is Nigel Theron Joseph, has remained in custody without bond since Sunday. This is not his first run-in with the law, as in 2020, his then-girlfriend made allegations of physical assault against him, which resulted in him being arrested and charged with 2 felony counts of kidnapping, as well as terroristic threats and acts and simple battery. Major hype, a renowned comedian known for his Caribbean-themed comedy content online and billed as a top-class stand-up comedian. Sugar Roy receives a Spotify plaque. International reggae group Sugar Roy and the Fireball crew are celebrating yet another significant milestone in their career. Now, Barry Centaurus will close out Reggae Month. The curtains come down in Reggae Month with a special presentation, We Remember Bob Andy. The televised event features performances of 10 reggae classics written by the late Bob Andy, performed by Beres Hammond, Dean Fraser, Taurus Riley, Nadine Sutherland, Dwayne Stevenson, Romain, Virgo, and others. E Prime gives you this exclusive look, courtesy of VP Records.
Thinking to myself, observing all this time, from every angle that I see, my people, you're meeting there. I made a mistake when I grieved her heart, and she couldn't stand it. She decided we part. You got to feel it, Ooh, you've got to feel the soul down inside of you. You've got to feel it.
Why I've got to
go back home.
Even if I gotta walk,
I got to go back home.
even if I gotta run.
The show follows the February 10 release of the album of the same name, produced by Dean Fraser. We Remember Bob Andy includes 15 all-new Bob Andy cover versions from the artists above, plus the likes of Luciano, Sanchez, as well as Betty McLean and Richie Spice. Bob Andy is celebrated as one of Jamaica's greatest songwriters, with a catalog including tracks like Too Experienced, My Time, Unchained, Fire Burning, and I've Got to Go Back Home. Now at VP Records, We Remember Bob Andy this Sunday, 9 o'clock, right here on TVJ. Also, look out for RGR Gleaner Group Cross Country Invasion Roadshow. We're going through Clarendon, Manchester, and St. Elizabeth this Saturday, featuring Styler G, The Angel, Dwayne Stevenson, Macca Diamond, and others. And also join us at our Sports Day and Fun Day on Saturday at Manchester High School, starting at 10 o'clock. See you there. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Be safe on the road.
Da, 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 da.